What's up, everybody? Here back with another video. So today we're going to be painting the rims on my C10. We're also going to open up these two right here because this is what I'm going to be using so I can paint the truck or paint the wheels on the truck. The wheels that I'm painting, they're just the original rally wheels that it came with in the 84 model. I'll show you guys. It's just that I'm looking for the spray paint that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this one for the clear coat. After I paint it, I'm going to apply this. I think I'm also going to use like a primer. I think I have some primer left. Yeah. So I'm going to put some primer on it first. So I do lug nuts for the truck, which I actually have to make sure that they fit. I haven't even tried them on. This is the first time opening them. I'm going to go through that first. Because if not, I'm going to probably turn these. So let's go see if these lug nuts fit first. I wanted to keep the original wheels for now because I want them back to the original color. I don't know if these also came in red. They might have, I'm not sure, but I know they also came in like the silverish look. So I mean, that's what I'm going to be painting them back to. And then I'm also going to be adding the chrome pieces that I took out. There's like the chrome lip that goes around, and then the chrome it's like the little cover that goes where the nuts are, lug nuts. So let's try these new nuts. Let's see. Pretty big difference, I guess. I mean, these are still fine. They're not that bad. I mean, they're still good. Yep, they fit. Perfect. Just that itself. Look at what difference that makes. I'm debating whether I should paint the letters on them. The Hankook Ventus H101. I'm debating whether I should paint those white or if I should just leave it as is. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. You guys think it'll look better with the letters painted white, or if I should just leave it as is. Drop a comment down below, see what you guys like better, because I'm debating whether I should do that or not. But anyways, luckily these work fine. These are the ones we're going to be using for the truck. And then this is just the actual paint color. And you can put this down. So I wasn't able to find like the, because this is the paint that I was trying to use, but this is the gloss one. But the one for the actual colored paint, I will find it like in your AutoZones or Pep Boys or Riley's. So I actually had to order it from Amazon. So if you guys are looking for it, make sure you search it up on Amazon and you'll find it there. I'll show you what it is. I actually haven't even opened this, so I'm hoping they send me the right one. If not, I'm going to be pissed off. Return it back. So this is the wheel paint. Chevy Rally Silver, as you guys can see there. Not sure if you can see it. Chevy Rally Silver. It's the SP186. This is the Canyon, and this is the one that actually paints it back to the color wheel, the original color. So I ended up doing two of these. So hopefully with two that's enough. So let's take off the wheels now, and we can start getting to it. I'll try to do this quick. I don't want to take too long on it. I tend to like stall and stuff and think about it too much, and it ends up taking me double the time that I actually need. So I'm just gonna loosen them up a bit, and then so I could jack up the truck, put on some jack stands, and then start preparing them. Alright, so I just took off the wheels from the truck, as you can see it's up in the stands. But I'm thinking that I'm gonna be painting these inside the garage because it looks a little cloudy, like it might rain. So I just want to make sure to be safe and just paint them inside if in case it does. But I want to make sure that I move the OBS. I don't want it to get paint on it. So let's just move this real quick. That way we can already, so we can start painting already. Before I polish the next one, this is the one I'm going to be polishing up next. I don't know if you can see on camera how dirty it looks. I already cleaned it up and wiped it down and scrubbed it off with some soap, but it's still not shiny. It's still kind of like dull. But this is the big difference that it makes after you polish it. Look at that. It looks almost brand new. Would you look at that? I did that. Yep. Alright, what's up everybody? So it's the next day, so today's the fun part. We're gonna be putting the wheels back on. I ended up waiting for the next day so I can give them time to dry. It says to give them at least 3 hours for you to be able to handle them and touch them and all that, but I just wanted to be safe and let them dry overnight. Also, I ended up picking up the little Chevy stickers that, or they're not stickers, they're like little emblems that go on here. They go here. So you just kind of like peel them off and stick them on there. So I ended up picking these up as well. I had left them in my OBS, but I got that. So now is the fun part. We're going to be putting them back on. Well, there it is, y'all. It's all done now. Sitting pretty now, finally. I think it makes a big difference. I'll show you guys the before, how it looked. So this right here is the before. And this is the after, once it's already done. I mean, just little stuff that I did to it, you know, like polish all the chrome. Because when I got it, this thing had been sitting for a long time and it was just super, just old. So I ended up doing it the flat. I did the flat black paint job, as you can see. I'm gonna try to keep it in the garage so the sun won't hit it as much. That way it'll preserve it a little bit longer. But yeah, I did that, and then I did the spray and bed liners. Yes, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm sure you can't see it. It's just been super windy. After it's just been super. It's just super dusty because the wind's been like crazy. So I need to wash it and clean it up. But I mean, just doing the spray and bed liner, because also this before used to be like super ugly. So I mean, that with the matte black and the wheels, the Chevy Rally wheels. I like the wheels because they're the original ones that it came with. And you know, it's crazy what a little polish can do. But there it is, y'all. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you guys can keep up with the Chevy, with the C10. I know I told you guys in the last video that I'm gonna do a comparison of my C10 with my OBS, which I'm gonna be doing that soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below of whatever you guys think you guys want to see on the truck, or any questions you guys have or anything like that. You guys show some love to the channel and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.